之前一次熊市的底部到达一个所谓牛市的顶部，这一波价格的涨幅将近有15786%左右的一个涨幅。哈喽，大家好，欢迎收看本期的信仰充值，这里是韭菜盒子，我是小邦。不知道大家有没有被昨晚的行情所吓到呢？反正我是有点小慌。先别急，我们先来看一下这周大神们对于点位的预测。
Why you guys came here in the first place? Today's Monday. We just got a weekly close. Bitcoin broke 39,000, and I recently said on Twitter that 39K is a very important level, and we got a weekly close below 39K.
这里卡尔说到了，他在推特上说，这一周比特币这波下行的区间呢，他认为39000是一个非常关键的支撑位。如果说它下跌的过程中突破了这个39000的压力位，继续下跌的话，那可能是一个不太好的情况。
And the scenario where we come down and retest 34K here is definitely a possibility before we potentially go higher. And I mean,
然后他就说，这波价格从39000继续下探到34000左右，会形成一波筑底的一波小的波动，然后开始反弹。可能这是他的经验和感觉吧，我不知道他为什么这么说。
That said, though, as long as Bitcoin holds above this level and this level here, then I remain mildly bullish here, as we are still, as you can see here, in an uptrend technically. As you can see, we have higher highs and higher lows. Let me show you. Higher highs, higher lows. So this is a uptrend, and actually, these upwards trending channels in Bitcoin, they tend to break to the upside. So I still think that.
所以其实他的意思是说，这一波走势呢，从一个非常长周期的支撑位上，一个上行支撑并没有去被跌破掉，然后它依然是在一个上行周期过程中，然后再形成一个非常大的 high 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 low 和 M 型的一个趋势。所以其实这一波他预测的是，当价格再次到一个34000左右的时候，会再次冲高。这是他从一个非常大周期上的一个图表所观察到的一个趋势。那我认为这其实也是一个有技术分析性的经验之谈吧，不可信。
That's the more likely scenario. You let me know what you think. Leave a comment.
OK， 这就是卡尔非常简短的一段本周的对话。其实我觉得他这周有点水。我们接下来先看一下达芬奇他的一个分析。
Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the charts here. Oh my goodness. Non-stop bloodbath. We are going down.
他又臭脸了。他每一次下跌的时候，这个逼都是在臭脸。
And down, and down. And we're talking about where it's going and how to trade this in the next little while. My name is Dimitri Jeremy. I'm here in Dubai. We started a slide. We hit the sell order came on Rock and Brainerd's indicator, right? We got a buy signal, which I knew was going to be a false signal, right? We went up all the way to the.
达芬奇直接的说，从上一次的卖出信号的那个43000左右的这么一个位置，到现在它突然出现了一个买入信号，大概是在一个37000到36900左右的这么一个价格位置，出现了一个买入的信号。
You know, the 13 EMA, and boom, we just lost it right away, and we're heading straight back down. On the 13, according to the 13 EMA, it's saying we're going to go further down, and same with this M pattern, right? We've talked about in yesterday's video. So the target, right, is approximately at the 61.8, as we talked about in the last video. Now we have the 78.6. We already touched the 61.8. Once here, you can see, boom, now we're below the 61.8, but the 78.6, which is at the approximately $35,500 level, is where we need to hold, right? If we break through that, we have to hold.
达芬奇表明了说，如果现在35500左右的这么一个价格位置是比特币目前来说一个非常强的一个支撑位置，如果突破了35000的这个位置继续下跌，那可能在长周期上的一个上升区间的位置是在一个34800左右的这么一个点位，那就非常危险了，可能。
Hold approximately the 3500 even level around there. Maybe we test below that. We don't do a close below this 800 level. At all. If we do close below it, daily close below it, like you're gonna need a miracle. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You can see M again right here, and the target is still at the $2400 mark.
他也是表达了说，以太坊这波已形成一个小的 M 顶的一个趋势，然后下一波的下探价格是在一个2400左右的这么一个价格位置。
The target is at the $2,400 mark, as we've seen down here, and we are going to probably continue down all the way there. It won't be a straight line.
而且同时，它也大概率表明了说，这波价格的下探可能会到达一个2300左右的这么一个位置。
It looks like there is a little bit of rough patch, and we are far away from the 13 EMA, so I would not be surprised if it decides to bounce off the 61.8 and give the kids a little bit of a reprieve. Yes, but Ethereum and Bitcoin going high. Maybe this time is going to go, but no, there's no bullish signals here. Nothing.
终于摆烂了，达芬奇表达了一个意思，就是说到目前为止，他完全看不到有任何的一个上升的信号，或者说任何的一个牛市的信号，他真的又开始摆烂，大家习以为常就好。他的心态还是比较搞笑的。
Turn to the bullish side, I would have to say we'd have to get over the $3,500 mark approximately, and we didn't, and we are sitting here. So we can see that this thing has to hold the $2,400 mark, or else, it's probably lights out. Wouldn't bet on it. Let's see if there's a trend line here quickly that we can see that this thing might turn corner. Right there. Yes, there we go. You can see there is sort of like a trend line here that, look at that, goes all the way back to February of last year. So yeah, very key trend line right here that we've bounced off of before, and you can see that hey, this thing could bounce down all the way here to the $2,200 level.
它也是从一个非常长周期的一个上升的一个底部支撑位置去判断了一个点位，大概是在一个2200左右美金的以太坊的价格位置。他认为这也是从一个很长周期上讲是非常有利的一个底部。
I mentioned that I had different what's it called trend lines that also correlated with that, which I've recently removed. So I'm wondering if that's TSN turning point, or what's it called? Basically a turning point in the market, that pivot point that lines up together. So it's interesting. Maybe it's the lower level. I forgot what the trend level was, but I will look at it at another time, because I remember seeing something down here that indicated that the $2,200 level was the key area. Maybe it was all these wicks down here. So, but I think it was something else. I think it was another trend line. But yes, that's where I think Ethereum has to bounce. Doesn't mean it will bounce. So it has to bounce.
达芬奇也是呼吁了一下，他认为以太坊这一波必须要反弹，然后必须要以这么一个2200多的为一个强有力的底部开始反弹，而不是说必要的反弹。所以其实他还是挺悲观的，我感觉他的状态也不是很好，因为这一波下探在他的视角里他也看不到任何反弹的信号，起码到目前为止图表是没有表示出来的。这就是达芬奇在这周对于绝望和突发情况的这么一个分享。好，接下来我们看一下小黄毛的视频。
Yes, you can see it in the title. What I am talking about, that this moment, as of right now, might be the beginning of something very big for Bitcoin. And I want to go into the chart. I will show you two measurements in the Bitcoin chart within the last, give or take, 4 to 5 years, which is showing us, which is pointing towards that maybe what we are seeing right now is the beginning of something very, very big. Now the question, of course, remains, are we going to go further more towards the upside, finally, literally speaking here, or are we going to reverse further down and find even lower price targets? You do remember that I'm posting over on Twitter. Let me actually go down. It was a few days ago. I was actually posting this M pattern breakdown. You can see it here. 3 days ago, Bitcoin broke the M pattern neckline, and without redrawing lines.
小黄毛说，在前几日他在 Twitter 上发过一个图表，说当价格在一个41800左右继续突破下探41000以下的时候，大家就得注意了。所以他可能是在说他这一波预测非常准确，可能吧。
Exactly the price target. Look down. Approximately at $38,000 US. My price target of this breakdown, which I was predicting. I'm not saying that I 100% said we are going to reach this price target, but let me go there and let us see, just for the immediate short term, what was happening here. And as you can see, we exactly nailed it. We exactly hit the price target. And now we are getting at least a small bounce here. It's not strong enough for me, to be honest. But at least we hit the price target. The question, of course, remains, are we going to go furthermore towards the downside here with it?
所以他这一波就说自己上一次的图表的预测非常准确，刚好下探的这一波稍微能稳定一点的位置，就是他上一次一个图示条状图的一个指针的探底位置，这说明他预测的比较准确。
Which will catch you by surprise. So what I'm going to be doing here is I take the measurement tool, and what you can see here is the daily candles for Bitcoin. I leave it on the daily candles for a very specific reason. You can see here on the left the bear market bottom of 2018 November. You can see right here the bull market top, seemingly $69,000 US, once again in November. Now let me show you something. If I am pulling out the measurement tool and I'm pulling it from left, from the bear market bottom all the way to the right, to the bull market high. Look at this. We are talking about 1,064 days actually on the top in the middle. 1,063 bars, 1,063 days. It took the Bitcoin price from the bear market bottom 2000.
他就大概说了一下，打开图表从长周期上来看，在上一次的腰部和中部区间到上一次的一个大概是7万左右的顶部位置，比特币的价格已经有1094的一个百分比的一个涨幅了，这是非常可观的一个涨幅，感觉他在确实在给大家充值信仰。
2018 to reach the bull market high 2021. Now the question is, why is this interesting? Why is this number 1064 interesting? Let's circle back. Let's make some history lessons here, guys. And let's go back in the Bitcoin chart, actually. Let's go back to the last bull market and measure from the bear market in 2015, the bear market low right there, 15th of January, boom, all the way to the bull market high in December 2017. And what are we talking about, ladies and gentlemen? 1064 days from the bear market bottom in 2015.
他又表示了说，从历史的图表上看，之前一次熊市的底部到达一个所谓牛市的顶部，这一波价格的涨幅有将近有15786左右的一个涨幅，他又非常惊叹于这种涨幅，这我觉得大家可以理解为同样又是在充值信仰。
At least for the next few months to come. I personally do not expect a traditional bear market, no. But I think it could take a little bit of time until we are reaching a new high above $64,000 US.
大概想表达的意思就是，认为不管未来几个月可能会发生很多类似于一个底部的一个调整呀，包括一直在一个底位的震荡呀，甚至说可能会有很多负面的新闻，更加的影响市场，让市场下跌，这都不会影响他对于市场的判断，依然是牛市，或者说从某种意义上讲，它还不是熊市的一个判断，这就是他所表达的一个观点。然后他也希望大家比较能够坚持下去，更加的保有信心一点。
And no financial advice. Please make your own research. And you are touching any of your Bitcoin, any of your crypto right now from your holding portfolio. You are defeating the purpose. And if the big moonshot comes actually unexpected, you are going to be standing on the sidelines. I am in the crypto market for a long time. I survived the bear market. I am telling you, you are not going to be spotting the ads. It's almost impossible, guys. I'm not touching my bear market, my holding portfolio. I am, though, very surely going to trade less. Because that's what I'm doing in a bear market. I trade like crazy in a bull market, long. In a bear market, I'm rather waiting for the good positions.
所以他其实并没有说什么太多的点位分析，他表达了说，不管在牛市还是熊市，他在牛市会做更多的交易，短期的操作，以此来获得利润。如果他在熊市的话，他可能会减少他的操作，然后降低他的交易频次，这样子，这是他在一个熊市的策略啊。同时，他希望他也不会说去动他的一个投资的一个组合，也不会动他长期的仓位，他只是说在他认为可能比较一个熊市到来的时候，他会减少他的一般性操作的交易策略。那么这是他对大家的一个交易上的一个建议，我觉得。所以其实更多的，我认为他也是让大家保有一定的信心，在这个可能比较动荡、浮动比较大的一个市场行情的情况下，大家都还是要坚持住，然后同时不断的去思考这个市场，然后去更多的去深入的了解一下这个市场本身是什么样子。好，今天的信仰充值就到这里结束了。其实总结下来说的话，就是经过昨晚的那一波跌幅，可能大家或多或少都有一些惶恐呀，或者怎么样的。那么其实大神们对于这个市场行情的下一步走向也是各持己见。他们有人觉得可能是一波很关键的一个位置已经形成了，即将要开始拉升了。也有人觉得可能这是一波没有下限的下跌，同时可能持续的时间也比较长。大概其实以太坊和比特币的价格位置基本上关键位置就是在一个 32,200左右，比特币就是在一个34,000到32,200左右这么一个支撑位置。那么以上的视频不作为投资建议，希望大家保持心态，合理投资，理性的去布置一些策略，去应对未来市场所可能会发生的事情。这一期的现象充值就到这里结束了。如果大家对于大神们的点位预测感兴趣，想要和我们一起去讨论点位、分享资讯，就请大家多多关注我们的频道。下期见。